Okay, today we're going to talk about subjects and predicates. I would also think of this as nouns and verbs. Every sentence has to have a subject and a predicate. Okay, so right here it's saying a sentence has a simple and complete subject and predicate. A simple sentence has two parts, a complete subject and the complete predicate. I just like to put a line in between them. The complete subject tells whom or what the sentence is about. The complete predicate or verb tells what the subject does or is. Both the complete subject and the complete predicate consist of one word or several words. So a way to think about this, just pick a really easy example. So here's an example. The boy runs. Okay, so that's a simple sentence. So what we always do first is find the verb. Okay, and here we have the verb, which is the action. Okay, so circle that. Who or what? And then put in the verb. And in this case, runs. Who or what runs? The answer is going to be our subject. Okay, so who or what runs? The answer, boy. Okay, so this is the simple subject of the simple verb. Now, if we want to add more to our sentence, the small boy runs very quickly. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. My number one step that I always want to do in subject and predicate is find the verb. That's why you have to know what a verb is to do this. So I know my verb is my action word here, and it is runs. I'm going to ask myself who or what runs very quickly. My answer is the small boy. Okay, so this is where I think it can get a little tricky for some people. This part right here, and what kind of boy? The answer is small. This is an adjective. This is an article. This is the complete subject. Okay, the complete subject. Right here is the simple subject. Okay. So you might see it written like this. Right here is the simple predicate. This part right here is the complete predicate. Okay, so they have some more examples here. The wide river meanders slowly across the plain. You would have to find the verb, meanders. Who or what meanders slowly across the plain? The answer is the wide river. So right here is the complete subject. This is the complete predicate. Okay, the simple subject is river, and the simple predicate would be meanders. Small beaches have appeared here and there along its banks. Have appeared is my simple predicate. Who or what have appeared here and there along its banks? Small beaches. That's the complete subject, and this whole part is the complete predicate. This is a simple predicate. We are happy on our graceful boat with its billowing sails. Now, one thing that might make this a lot easier, if you're having trouble finding the verb, I always like to eliminate my prepositional phrases. I know on and with are prepositions. This is a prepositional phrase. This is a prepositional phrase. Now I want to find my verb is are happy. Who or what are happy on our graceful boat with its billowing sails? The answer is we. So that is our complete subject and also our simple subject. Okay, are is our simple predicate, and this whole section here is our complete predicate. Okay, an otter, move that so you can see a little bit better. An otter on a rocky perch suddenly dives. Okay, so again, I want to eliminate my prepositional phrase. Suddenly dives. I know dives is my simple predicate or verb. Who or what dives? An otter would be the answer. How suddenly? That's an adverb. So I'm going to put my line there. Okay, because everything that goes with the predicate is the complete predicate. Everything that goes with the subject is the complete subject. So the simple predicate is here and the simple subject is there. Okay, so what we're talking about are the main words. Everything is complete, just the main word is simple. Okay, to make that simple.